Today, my car saw the first light of day for 38 years. Stick around and you'll see what I mean.
Are coming my way, and if the sunshine has a meaning, it's telling me not to let things get in my way.
When the rainy days are dying, gotta keep on trying. All the bees and birds are flying. Never let go, gotta hold on and non-stop till the break of dawn. And keep moving, don't stop rocking. Get on up when you're down, baby. Take a good look around. I know it's not much, but it's okay. We'll keep on moving on anyway.
She's a beautiful girl, she's a beautiful girl. She fills up every corner like she's born in black and white. Makes you feel warmer when you're trying to remember what you are. She likes to leave you hanging on a word. Suddenly I see, this is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see.
So, work continues on the car, and I'm about halfway through, working on the floors and everything now, the seats and the seat belts. Still a lot to do. So, I hope you'll stick with me and join me for the rest of this journey, because still a lot to do, but hopefully you'll learn a lot and you'll find some interesting points of view and find it entertaining. So, if you do, please hit the like and subscribe button and join me for the rest of this journey. Thanks for your support so far, and see you in the next one.